Research has shown feeling confident in social situations is not just something that people are born with. Rather, it is something that can be learned. I do workshops about international etiquette and protocol, and I offer people tools to feel more confident and navigate successfully different environments. Etiquette is the way you behave in your daily life, socially or professionally, and protocol is basically the order to follow in certain events and situations. Etiquette goes beyond table manners or dress code. It promotes kindness, respect, and acceptance among cultures. People think that etiquette is elitist, and it's totally the opposite. It's bringing people together so that we can form community, no matter our differences. Since I was a little girl, I was interested in learning about people, countries, cultures. I'm fascinated about differences and the diversity that the world offers. I came to Harvard because I wanted to understand how to scale this concept. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a female entrepreneur from the Dominican Republic, and I wanted to focus my learning not only in business concepts to be able to scale this company, but also in a way that is based on research on how people learn, because my mission is education. The ELOE program gave me both.